Good day, everybody. How are we all doing today? Today we are going to make cake brownies. Not a lot of ingredients in them. What we're going to do is we're going to use two boxes of double food chocolate cake mix, 4 eggs, 2/3 cup of oil, and some nuts, maybe just a little bit of water. So let's get with it. Get this tied on here. Everybody likes these cake donuts. So I thought if they're all gone, so I'm going to surprise them today. So let's go. All right, so I'm going to open these up. Down there. Move it around. And a hose. This. That here. Now, throw these away. I'll be right back. Make sure I have it on, hadn't I? Make start. I'm going to go ahead and spray my cake pan down. So it'll be ready. There we go. Alright. Now I need 4 eggs. I got the 4 eggs here. I let them warm up a little bit today before I started. So, those in that hole that I made. Shut that out of the way. That's 2/3 cup of oil. Right there. This is oil that I took on vacation with us, so I'm going to go ahead and use it up out of the bottle. Instead of taking a great big one, I took one of my grandson's juice bottles and cleaned it all up and stuck the oil in it. Worked out pretty good. Okay. I'm going to get a little bit of water just in case. Alright, I'm going to get the nuts going. Here, just a second. I'm going to stir this up real quick. These are real easy to make. I tried chewy brownies, but I haven't had any luck, so I don't make chewy brownies anymore. If they want chewy brownies, they can go to town and buy them. But they seem to like these okay, so they're good. Some walnuts here. I'm going to make some noise here in a second, so hang on. Okay, I put my nuts in a sandwich bag. I got my meat tenderizer hammer out. And we're just going to break these nuts up a little bit. Brownies aren't brownies unless they got nuts in them. So, you'll be happy. There are nuts. Alright, got that in there. Put this away. Alright, let's stir it up. Those nuts mixed in there real good. Water. Sometimes I have to put water in these because it just doesn't mix good. sure it's mixed up real good. You don't want no cake powder. Those cake mixes I get at Aldi's are $1 something. They don't cost that much. So every time I go to Aldi's, I pick up a couple because you can use them for zucchini bread, banana bread, and cake brownies. I think that's pretty good. Nope, there's some more down there at the bottom. Let's get that bottom stuff mixed up. Yeah, I think I'm going to need a little bit of water. Don't put a lot of water in there, just a little bit to help mix that cake mix up. Alright, there we go. I got the oven set for 350, and we'll cook them for about 25, maybe 30 minutes, because we want to make sure they're done. Okay, there we go. I think I got it all off the bottom. Yeah. Just double check. Nope, there's some more. Right there in the middle. There we go. Alright, see that? Not that look good. Nice and chocolatey. Got my cake pan here. We're gonna put it in the cake pan, and we're gonna make sure we both scrape that real good. Alright. Now here in a few days, I'm going to make some deep fried Oreos. We went to the DuCoin Fair, and they had deep fried Oreos. And I found out they're real easy to make. So we're going to try our hand at making some. If they do as good as what you got at the fair, that'll probably be another favorite in this house. Who doesn't like Oreos? All right. There we go. All spread out. Nice and even. Let's see where the oven's at. Oven's at 345, so I'm going to go ahead and pop it in there and get it going. There we go. Got there. Computer, set me a timer for 25 minutes.
25 minutes, starting now.
Yes, I changed my Alexa name to computer. I like Star Trek, love Star Trek. So now I got computer like they do on them shows. So we'll be back when those are done, and I'll show you what they look like. Till then, have a good day. Welcome back, everybody. My brownies are done. Here's the result. Cake brownies, very good. Cut some of. Everybody gets home later, they can satisfy their sweet tooth and their chocolate tooth all in one setting. Like I said, these are really easy to make. You ought to give it a try sometime. So let's try one. Nice and thick, a little bigger than I want. Put you back down and cut you in half. Okay, let's try it. Still warm. Anyway, there you go. Hope you have a good day. you like this video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button over there in the corner, and leave me a comment. Tell me if you're going to give it a try or not.